Welcome to this tutorial on how to use MetaMask Testnets, a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the world of blockchain development. MetaMask is a popular digital wallet that allows users to interact with the Ethereum blockchain, and testnets are a crucial part of the development process. First, you need to understand what testnets are. Testnets are replica blockchains that mimic the behavior of the main Ethereum network, but with some key differences. They are used for testing and development purposes, allowing developers to experiment with their applications without risking real ether. To get started with MetaMask Testnets, you need to install the MetaMask browser extension. Once installed, you can add testnets to your MetaMask wallet by clicking on the Networks drop-down menu and selecting Add Network. You can then enter the testnet details, such as the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and currency symbol. One of the most popular testnets is the Robson testnet. To add Robson to your MetaMask wallet, you can enter the following details. Network name Robson, RPC URL https robson.infura.io/v3/your-project-id, chain Idaho 3, and currency symbol ETH. Once you have added the testnet to your wallet, you can request test ether from a faucet. A faucet is a website that dispenses free test ether to developers for testing purposes. You can search for Robson testnet faucets online and follow the instructions to request test ether. With test ether in your wallet, you can start interacting with the testnet. You can deploy smart contracts, test your applications, and experiment with different scenarios. You can also use tools like Remix and Truffle to develop and deploy your applications. Best practices when using MetaMask testnets include keeping your test ether separate from your main ether, using a new wallet for each testnet, and being mindful of the testnet's limitations. It is also important to remember that testnets are not a substitute for the main network, and you should always test your applications on the main network before deploying them. In conclusion, using MetaMask testnets is a crucial part of the blockchain development process. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start experimenting with testnets and developing your own blockchain applications. Remember to always follow best practices and keep your test ether separate from your main ether. With MetaMask testnets, you can unlock the full potential of blockchain development and start building your own decentralized applications.